Myntri Rangbah Konrad ke Sangma, Marsen UI ki Nonghikai Vocational Course ha Kashatri Meghalaya Vocational Teachers Union bagi yang rengkat ki plakat ha Surok Jaiaw, ulah Hiar nakakali ban keren yaki. Myntri Rangbah akate Khubor udang wan naga jingyalang ai burom ki Nonghikai ya ka Khuborkhjylla namadan student Jaiaw da ka Meghalaya SSA Schools Association bat Meghalaya Fort Teachers Association namar ka jingpen urlong ka sarkar ya ka structured pay framework ka balawanra ya ka jingyada pat jingbet jingbiang ha ki tulop jang ki dekhat kini ki artli ki association kinoyalam ka Meghalaya Vocational Teachers Union kila syak khang ha ki pulit ka East Khasi Hills District kat bagi rang temutur syakate ka jingyalang kumta na kate ka jing syak khang kila apsa Myntri Rangbah u Konrad ke Sangma bat Myntri Puli Puthi Education ha Surok Jaiaw haduk bandawai ka jingyalang ha ka Iakren beki Nonghikai ka Vocational Teachers Union Myntri Rangbah uloong ba un sakhwat Iakren patki.
Oh, that makes sense. Come. Please tell me. What happened?
So we are from vocational education teachers.
Tell me.
Hello. So I'm the president of the union.
So what's the issue?
Our issue is that our
In the
demands
pay
are still
structure?
pending. Yeah. We are from vocational education.
Do you have the papers? Does Commissioner Secretary and Education Minister aware about
We
this?
have all these submit from right from 2026. Right from this year we started, but we haven't.
Let me go through this. I'm not aware because so many issues are there.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm not very aware. Much aware. I'll get back to you. Your contact number is here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
It's in the
Okay. Thank you, sir. I'll try to work. Okay. We try to help as much as possible, whatever is within the limits.
Yes, sir.
No? I'll do my
Sir,
best.
let it.
Okay. Right. See you guys. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Kali banyak keren berarti. Jadi kita pergi ke Bandung. Apa ni siap men ba UCM mulai hari dalade nakali banyak kendu yang ini. Te adin bangi lepen i ki records bagi like bala de submit Shaki office nadu director secretary education minister bat hadu CM ngila de submit tang bang 4 yo lat ban ya kendu ya i tang sisin ru bat education minister pabalong ni serakam tengila bun ya kendu bun sen i bat ki directors bat ki officers lay ngimla tang banyaw kan osin ngi kendu iki te apa ban penkut pa jagba ICM la hel dalade la kendu yang ni ngiladap ai ki jing pha i te yang insa kontak yang ni ngin sepek ke ai la ban le la dakim kemudian la dakim khot ini nang na hadin ngi sang meeting biang te ngin sepek ke ai ngi la ban le dawa tengin dawa bet ngin continue bet ngin teng bet hadu bangin daya ma bangi don hak ban yo
pakai surat tu korak mana bukan api mau kuno
empat ong ai empat ong ai empat ai assurance yang ba insa kontak ini hadin kata ngin saya sang meeting yang ba let's say bon kam pelate empat poi let's say 4 poi ke suka file jongi tanpa Khubor kena slam ngi melaban api kata tengi kat ba kene kes ngi kedai ke ba bahaba ngi bangin wan peni mah ba ngi don hok ngi don go hok ban yo ya ka pay structure kumba kiwe yo
Pemerintah pi tang yo tang submit ya ka pemerintah.
amna office level ngi la dep submit na slam ha te ha OCM ki records bangi la dep submit miswa bangi la dep AHI te contact number jong mi jong akum presiden la don hi te in sekol nga na office jong ki jong kumta te sepet kumno kono ga yai ka kam sa update biang epi